Hello students, so we are learning about logarithms. So we saw how a log is written, okay, what is characteristics and what is mantissa. Now we'll see how to find the characteristic of log of a. Okay, suppose you have log of a log to the base 10, okay, which you can write it as log a. It is characteristics plus mantissa, right? So how to find characteristic of log of a? Yeah. So when this number a is greater than 1, okay, so there are two cases. When this number a is greater than 1, okay, that time you have to see the digits, okay, in the integral part of a, and then you have to subtract 1 from it, that is before the decimal point. Okay, for example, suppose the number is 2578. Okay, now there are no decimal numbers, decimal points here, right? So this whole thing becomes the integral part. So you have to see the digits, how many are there? 4 are there. So your characteristic will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Okay, now suppose the number is 257.8. Now before decimal there are 3 numbers, right? So you have to take 3 minus 1, that is 2. Okay, similarly for this one, now 2 are there, so 2 minus 1, 1. If it is 2.578, then you have to take 1 minus 1, that is 0. Okay, now this is for a greater than 1. These numbers are all a greater than 1, right? So if you have a number which is less than 1, okay, less than 1 means 0 point something like that. Okay, so that time you have to see the zeros, okay, after decimal, how many zeros are there, and you have to add 1 to it. Okay, I will write here. Suppose the number is 0.2578. Now after decimal point there are no zeros, right? There is no 0 over there. So you have to take the value of 0, that is 0 plus 1. Okay, and you have to take the negative sign. So this becomes minus 1. But here we are not doing any subtraction. Okay, so that is why, to avoid confusion, we take 1 bar. That negative sign we denote as bar. Okay, now suppose the number is 0.02578. Okay, after decimal point there is 1 0 over there, right? So the formula becomes 1 plus 1, okay, and your negative sign. So this is minus 2, so you can take 2 bar. Okay, now suppose 0.002578. Here 2 zeros are there. Okay, so this is 2 plus 1, that is minus 3, that is 3 bar. Okay, okay, this continues. Now so here you can write it as yeah, here you can write it as, suppose p is the number of zeros, okay, so it becomes minus p plus 1, which you can write p plus 1 bar. This is your characteristic. Okay, so now we'll see how to find mantissa. Okay, for this you will need log tables. Okay, so first thing, if the number, okay, is given in this form, okay, then you have to approximate it to 4 digits. So you have to write 4 digits only. Okay, now suppose the number is given bigger. Okay, so take say 25, 7, 8, 2, 6. Okay, now here I can take it directly, approximate it to 25.78, right? So you have to see the fifth digit. If it is greater or equal to 5, okay, then you have to add one number to this digit. Okay, so suppose here it was say 6. Okay, now to approximate, now this is number which is greater than 5. Okay, so add one number here, that is basically we say rounding off, right? So 25.79, and then you have to find the mantissa, that is you have to see the log table. Okay, now here the number is 2578, so here I have the log table. Okay, so we have to calculate what 25 number you have to see under 7. Okay, so 25 we have here. Okay, 25 under 7 is 4099. See, yeah, 4099, write that. Then you have to look for the mean difference table. Okay, so 25 under 7 is 4099, and then you have to look for mean difference in 8, that is 14. So you have to add this 14 to this. Okay, so this becomes 4113. Okay, so if you have taken a, that is, now I will write this, log of 2578. Okay, first you have to write the characteristics. Since there are no decimal points here, so this whole thing becomes the integral part. So 4 digits are there, so 4 minus 1, 3, that is your characteristic. Okay, point. Then comes the mantissa, that is 4113. Okay, that is 3 plus 0.4113. Okay, we have seen that mantissa is never negative and it is always less than 1. Okay, it comes in 0 point something. Okay, so this is your log of a number. Okay, then for calculations and all, you have to find the anti-log. Okay, that we'll see later. One more example I can take, say 0.log of 0.04529. Okay, now this is a is less than 1, right? So less than 1 means you have to see the 0 after point, that is decimal, that is 1 0 is there. So your characteristic is what? You can write here, that is 0 plus 1 0 is there, no? So 1 plus 1, you have to take bar. Okay, and then your mantissa you have to find 45 under 2 under 9. Okay, so 45, okay, under 2 is 6551. Okay, then under 9 you have to see 45 under 2 under 9, that is under mean difference, is 9. So add that 9. So 6560. This is your mantissa. 0.6560. So your number becomes 2 bar 0.6560. This is your log of 0.04529. Okay.